Welcome to Villa Ampelitis. This villa sleeps up to 16, but it's also suitable just for 2 persons, and it is completely wheelchair accessible, level access throughout everywhere on the ground floor. It's really well equipped, and the jewel in the crown is the heated private pool with a pool hoist. We're going to show you a lot of its features on this video.
Thanks. Can I come in?
Yes. We've got lots of disability items here at Villa Ampelitis. So a couple of weeks before you arrive, you'll be sent a list and you just tick off everything that you would like to be in the villa when you arrive.
Starting with...
This is our mobile hoist, and you can move it around. It goes in the bedroom, over the bed, or you can bring it anywhere throughout the villa, into the lounge. It's such a good piece of equipment. Remote control is just tucked away here. This clips on and off. It's a fantastic piece of equipment.
Can we just do the controls, please? Up.
Yep, and
fantastic.
Down again. We've got level access throughout the villa, all the ground floor, including outside, no steps. So you can use all of this equipment anywhere without any problems.
Yeah. Coming round to the accessible shower room.
Right, I've got a grab rail in my hand, so I'll just tell you, these clip on at whatever height you want onto the tiles. So very, very handy. These will be on the tick list that you'll be sent 2 weeks before. So shall we start with the shower? I've pushed the door inside just to show you that we've got a very, sort of fairly basic but very handy shower chair.
Great.
That's a stable one, it doesn't have wheels.
There's also a mat up here for extra grip if needed, which can be put in the shower.
Yeah. Then we've got a commode, and this also fits over the toilet, so you could leave it in place all of the time. This piece of equipment is one that's used a lot by our disabled clients. It's our shower chair, but it also has a commode bucket underneath, but for now I've just shown you how it can be used over the toilet. It slides in really easily, and then it's got locks, so you can lock it in place. These arms come off really easily. You saw how easily that is. So it can also be used to take you to the pool hoist and to transfer across like this, without these being in the way.
Or from a wheelchair onto the
course.
toilet like that.
Yeah, and this can just wheel around. It's so smooth. And I keep mentioning its level access because I know how important it is. You don't want to come across a 6-inch step when you're going to the swimming pool. So the swimming pool is just down there through the corridor. There are no steps. You just wheel down there. It's just fantastic. We've really tried to give the design of this property a lot of thought.
We're in between bookings right now, so there are certain things around. We're going to show you the way to the pool. The tiles also, everything in this villa is imported from Germany, so it's such high quality.
But look at the turn, it's easy. No 3-point turns, it just goes straight round. All the measurements are on the website, by the way. We've had our early morning swim, so the cover's on, because we've got the pool heating going and we like it quite warm. So we've stuck the cover back on, but it's handy for you to see what it looks like. Studio on the left. The pool hoist is housed at that end. It's a ceiling hoist. Absolutely fabulous. And this way is the wet room. I'll show you this. Very, very handy for use in the wet room. So follow me. Lovely wide door.
Light, please. Can't get the staff.
But look how beautiful it just reverses onto the toilet.
Amazing.
That's why this piece of equipment is taken by a lot of people. Once they've used it, they take it every time that they come here.
So walking back through the villa, past the courtyard. Excuse our stuff on the tables. Okay.
I want to show you how easy it is to get the mobile hoist into this bedroom. We'll show you that first of all. So,
excellent.
and it's in this bedroom that we have something very, very special. It's our profiling bed. We got it from London, and it's
Just up the road from our house.
yes, it was. And it's exactly the same like many hospital beds, and it works with a remote control. But for now, I'll show you how this can be used with the profiling bed. So this is our downstairs twin bedroom. You have to request the profiling bed because otherwise we keep it locked away in the garage so it doesn't get damaged. But we've got another bed here, single bed. This bedroom works really well, and just next door is the downstairs shower room that we just showed you on the video.
Behind the scenes action.
And again, the windows have got the mosquito netting, and we're here in October, as you know from earlier in the video. It's absolutely baking.
Yeah, it is.
It's absolutely baking. But it's lovely because you can feel the breeze coming through these mosquito netting windows. So it feels really lovely and fresh. The buttons are quite self-explanatory, but we'll just have a little play around with what it can do. Very, very handy. And then this one takes it back down. That one is very, very handy. My mum used to use this facility to put her feet up in the afternoon. Oh, both together. Ideal if you want to read a book or something like that. Down it goes. This is very handy, as you all know, when transferring up and down. We often get asked about the height of the bed, so that's a very, very handy one. And a tipping motion. So just to recap, the profiling bed is on request only. You get sent a list of all the disability items about 2 weeks before you arrive, and you just tick the items that you would like. Simple as that. Now onto the swimming pool.
This amazing indoor heatable pool here at Ampelitis is private just for you. It's heatable up to 30 degrees Celsius. It is possible to have it cooler if that's a little bit too hot. And the pool leads straight in to this fully accessible wet room. There's a shower in here, a sink and a toilet. There are also toys for children. I'm showing the floor here so you can see how much room there is to manoeuvre a wheelchair or the shower chair. This wet room comes in so handy, whether it is for using the facilities or maybe just to use as a changing room. As mentioned earlier, there we have the pool cover, which is great for keeping the heat in if you do choose to have it heated. And up the other end, we have a baby pool with steps on either side. Now let's watch this amazing ceiling hoist in action. I've sped up this clip, as you can see from the boys playing in the background, but we just really wanted to show you this amazing piece of equipment. It's so easy to use. The straps are detachable, making it so easy to transport a wheelchair user from the wheelchair or the shower chair safely into the pool. Underneath the pool hoist, there are 3 large steps which make getting in and out of the pool really easy. Next to the steps, there's also this extra wide seat, which also comes in very handy. The floats, which are up the other end, are normally left in the pool so that they're fun to play around with. And we have this brilliant lilo, which is fantastic for wheelchair users because you can just sink into it and just float around and having a wonderful time in the pool. The windows around the pool also slide open, which gives an amazing indoor-outdoor feel. The feeling of tranquility and bliss you get at Villa Ampelitis is truly like none I've experienced before, especially at sunset. And one of my favourite things to do in this incredible property at sunset is to have a dip. And I tell you, it was quite difficult when I was filming this not to just jump straight in, but I wanted to share just how beautiful this property is, because the whole of it, especially the pool, fills with this beautiful light.
Here we have two identical studios, and we're going to show you one now. And what I really love is that they're on the east side of the house, so you get the sunrise in the morning. This is absolutely gorgeous. If it gets too hot for you, there's plenty of shade over there under the trees. But you're private on this side of the house. You're slightly separate from people staying in the main house. It's all level access all around the house here. All around to the swimming pool, into here, into the shower. The shower is wheelchair accessible. So come in and I'll explain how it all works. It's compact, but I'll show you all the really great facilities we've got here.
Oh, it's shutting me out.
Oh, sorry.
It's all right.
So this is a sofa bed, sleeps up to 2 persons. Once you've finished with it, you can fold it up and have a sofa, so you can come in and sit there. And then the table there opens up, it's got 2 leaves, so it's nice and big, and we've got 2 chairs hidden under here. Actually, it's 4 chairs. 4 chairs, fold-up chairs. This staircase leads upstairs to a mezzanine bedroom. It's a double bed, and whoever sleeps upstairs can actually look over and check that whoever is downstairs is okay. Whether it's adults in the bed, disabled people, children, that's how it works.
The upstairs mezzanine area is lovely and compact, but there's lots of storage. So you've got these big cupboards to the side, and then behind me, I'll just turn around, you've got the hanging space for clothes.
These windows are really good. They've got mosquito netting behind, so you can open the window, although I haven't got it with the mosquito nettings because I'm filming, it's here, but you can open the window and then nothing can come in and you just get the lovely cool air.
Thanks.
I was going to say mountain air, but it's not really mountain.
Cool air. There are also these lovely paper Venetian blinds for privacy, obviously to close when you're asleep, and if you just want some privacy during the day. This one here on the door, would you like to show? Is just pull up and down.
Clip just comes down like
Yeah,
that.
perfect.
Comes up.
Yeah, great.
Here we have the shower room in the studio. They're both the same. Again, extra wide doors. You can easily accommodate a wheelchair through the gap. I've put the shower chair in there just to show you how it fits. Here is the kitchenette. It's got everything you need, very compact but well equipped.
Thank you so much for joining me today and watching our Villa Ampelitis accessibility tour. It's been my absolute pleasure to showcase this villa in such a way where I really feel like you get a glimpse into the magic that you truly feel when you're here, and also to show you some of the incredible equipment we have at this villa. I'm ending with this fantastic drone shot where you truly can see that you have no neighbours and the village is just a short walk away. And let's just say it one more time, the outside of this property is completely level access. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to contact us at Sundance Villas. My name's Lauren at Sundance Villas. I've been your editor and voiceover for most of this video, and obviously the star of the show, Irene, on the camera. I really hope you've enjoyed this video today, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.